Hello, my name is Johan Giraldo. I am from Samana Caldas. I am system engineering student and I'm taking everyone English course. San Diego Lagun, the lagoon is volcanic in the San Diego district of the municipality of Samana Caldas, Colombia. The lagoon is in volcanic area, therefore the water temperature is hot. The lagoon is far from civilization. It is surrounded by nature. What you can do at the lagoon, you can go boating, kayaking, swimming in the lagoon, go to the hot springs, fish, camping, work around the lagoon. Superstition, the lagoon. It is said that at the bottom of the lagoon there is a swan was inhabited many years ago. Food and drinks. You can eat fried mojarra, coffee and cocoa dessert and juices. You can drink the traditional mango juice and michelada beers on natural uses. Okay, recommendation. Wear clothes, bear mosquito repellent, do not bear technological devices as there is not internet connection. At the lagoon, only Spanish is spoken and the official currency is a Colombian peso. Okay, bye.